guys, welcome back. I told you I was going to continue to do videos on this channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Yoni steaming at home. So I know you guys probably heard a lot about Yoni steaming, the natural herbs to use that you can kind of help the vajayjay for many different things, whether it's BV, or odor or moisture or whatever. So I'm going to actually show you the process. But before we jump into this video, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can continue to get quality content, because self-care is healthy care. All right, so let's get started. So in this kit, and I'll drop the Amazon link down below, you get the actual Female Rituals Steam Therapy Yoni steaming herbs. It's 100% all natural, and it had a ton of great reviews. So I'm not going to share anything that I wouldn't even try anything that really had a bunch of bad reviews, but it seems pretty easy. It does tell you to avoid the Yoni steams if you're pregnant, you got an IUD, you're on your period, and then it also talks about the 100% natural herbs, which is one of the things that I look for, because I don't want any chemicals going up in the vajayjay, right? But they give you the herbs, and they also give you the little tub that you sit on. So it starts out by, I poured water into a small pot, and it didn't say whatever type of water. I don't know. I use a water bottle. And then it says to also use either 1/4 of an ounce or an ounce of the Yoni steaming herbs. And what I did was I used about an ounce, and I wanted to show you exactly what it looked like, all dried, all natural. And then also, what it looks like. And that's about the amount that I was able to use for this particular, I guess I'll call it self-care treatment. So I did put it into the water, because that's what they tell you to do. They tell you to put it in the water and bring it to a simmer. And after it simmers, they want you to, kind of bring it to a boil so it can start making it like a tea effect. So if you guys kind of make your own teas, even whether it's in a tea bag or if it's the loose leaf teas, it's kind of like that, where you have to boil it so the smell, and it absolutely smells amazing because it has lavender and rose and stuff like that in it. So you have to steep it, and for you guys know what steeping is, but until it gets really soft, and then actually the fluids turn into like a tea consistency. So what I did bring it to a boil. Now ladies, let me tell you, do not sit on this when it's that hot. So the actual seat fits perfectly on the toilet, so they must have actually measured it. It was a perfect fit. So I poured it into very slowly. You can tell how hot this is. And then I let it sit for a while. So I kind of want you to get a look at it, because it looks like a tea consistency. And so what I decided to do, because you can choose to sit on it for 15 to 30 minutes. But they also said wrap up really good while you're on it, because you don't want the steam to release. So I set my alarm to 30 minutes, because I wanted to try it for the full 30 minutes to give my full effect and to give my review. So I set it for 30 minutes, and it was warm. I would say that warm steam, I waited till it cooled down a little bit because I didn't want to burn my butt. And then I actually did the full 30 minutes. It kind of cooled off after 30 minutes. Imagine anything that you warm up cools down. But I mean, I will say I felt really clean, really refreshed, and the lavender in it makes you really, really relax. So if I had to give a grade on it, I would give it a thumbs up. Go check this out. I'll drop a link down in the comment section or in the description box. It's by Female Rituals. You get about a 4-ounce bag along with the tub that comes with it. The instructions are really simple on the back, But I will tell you, I slept really good after using this. It relaxed me. I felt clean, refreshed, and everything. And definitely any type of odor. I mean, it actually smells up the whole house. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've tried Yoni steamers, drop your suggestions down in the comment section below as well. So I will definitely let you know how it lasts. So look out for a follow-up video. So other than that, be happy, be blessed, and we'll talk to you soon.